Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner, and I'm here today to tell you that the store has reopened on schedule. Yay! Okay, so we've done a few things in the store over the last week to make it easier for our guests to shop. So let me show you those things, okay? I took a complete inventory. I went in and I printed out an inventory of everything in the shop. I then went through and verified all the pricing because I may be crazy, but I ain't stupid. So I made sure that the prices were what you come to expect from me. Fair prices, taking into account what it was going to cost me to ship the items to you. I wanted it to be fair. We added about 100 listings to the site. Now, these listings came from two places. One, new items, like the stickers that I hauled recently, and two, items that had been listed in multiple listings. So a previous listing may have shown multiple cutting dies in one listing, but it only showed 4 or 5 on the picture on the thumbnail. We broke those out and put them into individual listings. So you now can go in and search for dies, and it's going to show you each and every individual die that we sell in the shop. We addressed the shipping issue. In our previous store, the store figured shipping for us, but it wasn't perfect. If you ordered 2 items and those 2 items, let's say the first one shipped for $2.96 and the second item shipped for $1.85, it would just add it together. And I ended up often having to repay shipping. That was one of the reasons why we moved the shop. When we moved the shop, there is no pre-calculated shipping. So what we've done is we've tried to classify everything in our store into basically 5 shipping categories. 2 of them are kind of if it fits, it ships, flat rate bags. Okay, so you either get a flat rate envelope or a flat rate poly mailer, depending upon the item. The other 3 classifications are basically small, medium, and large. So if you order a large item, that is an item that fits in a 10 by 13 poly mailer. It's going to have a set shipping cost. Each additional item will bump that up a little bit. So now it's going to give you whatever the most expensive shipping is, and then each additional item will be a small additional fee. We are hoping that this tips the favor to the customer and allows us to ship the items to you at the best price possible. As always, if you have an issue with our shipping, please contact us directly and we will correct the issue and list a VIC specifically for you, or we will refund the difference. Okay? Let's see. Anything else? As our way of saying thank you for you and your patience while we get the inventory process taken care of, we have decided to give you a discount for shopping in the store. Come on over, take a look at the new shop. We've revamped the whole shop. Even the look is different. Pick up a few things that you need. All orders over $10 will save 5%. When you go to checkout, put in the code SAVE5. all caps, the number 5. And you'll get 5% off your total order of $10 or more. The address to the store and the coupon code will be listed in the description box below. So, as always, if you haven't done so, click the red button. Let's be friends. Like me. Ring my bell. Share me with all your friends. Till I see you again. Bye-bye.